small PR unboxing. I just got small PR in the mail and I thought I should open it with you. So let's start. Something from Juice Beauty. Oops. What does it say? Peel Faction. Stem cellular exfoliating peel spray. Ooh, nice. What is it? Powerful exfoliating peel spray that instantly exfoliates to reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion after just one use. That's nice. So let me open it. Ooh. It says unpeel radiance. That's funny. Peel me. Ooh. I'm really interested in how this works. I don't know what is sprayed now on myself, but it does look really interesting. Thank you, Juice Beauty. I will try, and it says the organic solution, so that sounds good. That sounds really good. Instant exfoliation of weights uncovers smoother, younger looking skin, revealing a softer, radiant complexion in 3 simple steps. I like that. I will definitely try this. Thank you, Juice Beauty, for sending me this. And the next box, it's from Watier Cosmetics. I'm hoping that I'm not butchering that name. I know about this brand, but I never actually used it, and it's Canadian, which is a bonus tip, especially nowadays that, oh, I can open it. Okay, here we are. Discover the key to internal radiant eyes. Ooh, nice. I like that. Reveal your youthful radiance. This today is everything about radiance. Hi, Anna. Your best age is now. I agree. And we are so excited to introduce you to our new age-controlled Supreme Sublime Advanced Global Eye Care. This new innovation is enriched with a powerful blend of naturally derived active ingredients targeting 8 signs of aging. Oh, that's nice. It is the key to a smooth and hydrated eye contour at every stage of life. It's not about hiding your age or looking young, it's about nourishing your skin as it matures. And who would say no to a fuller, lifted, radiant under eye? I'm definitely agreeing with everything they say. This really sounds really good. We can't wait for you to experience it and hear your thoughts. Team Watier. Thank you so much for sending this. I really like it. And this is the serum. I love the packaging. It's really luxurious and beautiful. Oh, it's really nice, creamy. It reminds me of some. I can't place of what it reminds me, but it really is nice and smooth, and really can't wait to try this. Thank you so much, Watier team, for sending me this. It looks and sounds really good, and bonus points for being a Canadian brand. Stay tuned. I will let you know what I think of this.